looking up, but before we really are able to experience a lot of sunshine like what we saw the latter portion of the day, we're going to really cool back off. Here's what's happening. Crystal clear skies continue to take shape across the South Plains. So all the snow flurries have since passed off towards the east, and we're dealing with some cool conditions, but definitely not downright cold yet. Right now we're sitting at 48 degrees in the hub, 42 in Dimmitt, 43 in Abernathy, 44 coming over in Morton. The warmer weather off into the rolling plains where we are hanging on right around that 50-degree mark. Winds still out of the north, so obviously we've got a wind chill within these cold conditions. Winds strictly coming in out of the north, 20 to 25 miles per hour. But as we head into the latter portion of the evening, these winds will lighten up dramatically. I'm talking about light winds across the board. We're looking at it to be less than 10 miles per hour for majority of the beginning of the day. Then we head by afternoon. Winds are going to really begin to push back out of the south, being sustained around 20 to 25 miles per hour. That stays with us overnight into Wednesday, and those winds continue Wednesday afternoon. Now, as far as seeing any amount of cloud cover or precipitation, we continue to stay nice and clear with the exceptions of a few upper level clouds Wednesday early afternoon. Things are looking to be a lot of sunshine across the area, meaning warmer weather is headed back into the South Plains. But with clear skies, light winds tonight, we are dealing with a freeze warning. This freeze warning is for majority of the South Plains, meaning we are going to be at or below the freezing point. Many locations will be in the 20s tomorrow morning, and some even to the north and western extent. We're looking to be right in the teens. Yes, you're not highlighted Palmer pushing over towards Briscoe or Bailey as a freeze warning simply because the average time of your last freeze has not yet been pushed into play. Everyone else, we're usually done with our freezes by this time of year. On average, of course, we have exceptions all across the way when it comes to South Plains weather. That is why you're not indicated under that freeze warning. That does not mean you are clear of a freeze. You're actually going to be one of the coldest spots on the map. So please continue to stay weather aware and safe. Now, we're going to be cold tomorrow morning, but by tomorrow afternoon, it'll be all worth it. We're getting up to 67 degrees by tomorrow afternoon in the Hub City, 66 in Plainview. Further off towards the east, those temperatures will be right around the 70-degree mark, especially over towards Guthrie, and then down to the south where those temperatures will flirt with the 70s. So a very cold start to the day, but a very warm afternoon is anticipated all across the South Plains. We continue to see a lot of sunshine, warming us up into the 70s by Wednesday. Thursday, we will get a little on the cool side, 45 degrees for the low, getting into the 60s by the afternoon. A cold front comes through, and that's why temperatures will be slightly cooler. But we do have a chance of rainfall by the weekend. Not snowfall, but rainfall. Guys,
we'll take it for sure, Nikki-Dee. Thanks so much.